When I woke up, I thought I was going to die from dehydration. My throat was dry, my lips were cracked. When I tried to moisten them with my tongue, it felt like a sandpaper being dragged across my mouth. I tried to sit up, but it felt as if my body was filled with lead. Every moment was a pain, every action an agony. I dragged and stumbled my way into the kitchen. There was a half filled water can on the counter. I grabbed it greedily and lifted it, but it wouldn't budge. With an almighty effort, I slowly lifted it and took a drink. The feeling was heavenly. I felt the water running out over my parched throat and into my empty stomach. I felt the stomach walls parting when the water coursed through it. How come am I this thirsty? I thought. I tried to recall the previous night, but I couldn't remember anything. Suddenly, I had a splitting headache and grabbed the counter for balance. It made no sense. I could not remember anything from last night. I went into the next room to see if my roommates were there, but there was no one in my room, and my thirst was growing more intense. I went to the balcony to check if the Annachi's shop was open. What the hell? I was speechless and frightened by the sight outside. The whole area was covered by sand, with not a single plant or tree in sight. A desert has claimed my neighborhood, I thought weakly. But it's not possible. Chennai is not even near a desert. What the hell is happened here? What the hell is happening to me? My thoughts flashed by as I sighted a flash of something near the horizon. There's that there. There must be something or someone there, I thought and went outside. The streets and the houses were devoid of life. I stumbled and walked my way to the direction I saw the flash from. Thirst was growing more intense. My throat was strangling itself. Every breath made a rasping sound, like a saw cutting dry wood. I kept my head down and trudged through the endless sand and the empty buildings. The flash gradually changed into a glisten, which turned out to be a water body. Thank the gods. In my state of thirst, I didn't even care how a water body materialized there. I tried to run, but my body still felt too much heavy to even walk. After what seemed an eternity, I reached the water body. I stretched till the horizon, going on without an end. I fell on my knees and tried a sip. It was sweeter than anything I have tasted. Throwing caution thought here, I dived in. For a moment, I was in absolute bliss, enjoying the feel of cold water on my sand covered body. But slowly, I was sinking down. I thrashed and flailed my arms wildly. But like a ship's anchor, I was slowly sinking to the bottom. Wild with panic, I kicked with all my strength, all to no avail. Slowly, the water shone brightly, too brightly. I held my breath and closed my eyes. But still, I could feel the light around me. I couldn't hold my breath any longer and opened my mouth, inhaling water. My lungs filled with water and burnt its way inside like boiling oil. I felt the light closing around me and my consciousness slipped away.